How to create Amazon Jobs account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to create Amazon Jobs account. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch a web browser, navigate to search bar, type in amazon.job and press enter on your keyboard. You will land on this section where you can click on the first link of amazon.jobs. Now you have landed on the official interface of Amazon Jobs. Where to create account, you need to click on create one icon at bottom left corner of this login page. Then you have to proceed towards the next page. For that you need to wait for a while. In order to create an Amazon.jobs account, you have to enter your email address, enter your new password. So your password must contain at least one uppercase, one lowercase letter, at least one number, one special character, and at least 8 characters. Then confirm your new password and then click on create account. So let's enter all this required field. Now you are required to enter the verification code which is sent to your email address. So you can open your email address and check it once. So the verification has already been completed. If you wish to enable multi-factor authentication to log in, click on enable multi-factor authentication, or you can skip for now as well. So now you have landed on the section where you can easily choose the communication preferences. If you wish to receive emails from Amazon.jobs, you can easily toggle the button on and make it to yes, otherwise you can toggle it off and make it to no. And here, if you wish to enable SMS updates, you can easily update it. So in this way you can successfully create your Amazon.jobs account. Now you can head to the profile at top right corner of your screen and look that you have already created account. Here you can add your resume, contact information, career preferences, experience and skills, educations and many more, and then make your profile. So that is how we create account on Amazon.jobs account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.